Hey there, welcome back to Emotion Power. Feeling stressed or overwhelmed? Today we're talking about meta moments, simple, powerful pauses that can transform how you handle daily stress. Let's dive in. What is a meta moment? A meta moment is like hitting the pause button on life. It's a conscious choice to step out of the chaos and into the present moment. Instead of constantly doing, it's about shifting into being. Sounds refreshing, right? It's about creating space between what's happening around you and how you respond to it. That pause can make all the difference. The power of meta moments. Meta moments help us regain control when stress takes over. By reconnecting with the present moment, we can reset and recenter ourselves. It's like pressing the reset button on your mindset. These moments also give us clarity and space to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. It's a small habit with a big impact. Simple meta moment strategies. Let's explore some easy ways to practice meta moments. First, take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly and exhale fully. It's amazing how just a few breaths can ground you. Another strategy, notice your surroundings with intention. What colors, sounds, or textures do you see? This pulls your focus to the here and now. And engage in mindful activities like gardening or walking. These help you find peace in movement. Integrating meta moments into daily life. Integrate meta moments into your day by creating small rituals. For instance, savor your morning coffee or tea instead of rushing through it. Set reminders on your phone to pause and breathe. A little nudge can go a long way. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Building this habit takes time, so give yourself grace as you practice. Benefits of a meta moment practice. Practicing meta moments can reduce stress and anxiety, boost self-awareness, and improve mindfulness. Over time, it enhances emotional regulation and builds resilience. It's a small shift that brings big rewards. That's it for today. Meta moments are simple but powerful tools for managing stress and finding peace in your day-to-day life. Start small and watch the difference it makes. Let me know in the comments how you plan to incorporate meta moments into your routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips like these. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.